Hello all, welcome back. Today I made an face recognition module using OpenCV in Python. I'm using it inbuilt face recognition functions. So this is the code. So I trained this module using two faces. As I'm a big fan of Alia Bhatt, I used Alia Bhatt pics to train this module to detect her face. And again with Alia Bhatt, I used my pics. I gave nearly only 30 pics of each of us. It's very little amount, but I just for project, just to learn how OpenCV works, I did this. So we will see how this works. So this is the code. So here I declare, actually I'm using har cascades in OpenCV module. So in this way I trained face recognition module. I saved every image in the respective folder and I gave the folder library here. So this code actually understands what is inside these folders, and it reads each image and features of each image and store them under a respective name. So it has two folders, Alia and Gokul. So this is how I trained this module. So this is face detect code to detect the face of an image which I am going to give. So you can see these are all the training data. So there are nearly 30 to 40 images in this training data of Alia Bhatt and nearly 30 images of me. So I have downloaded Alia Bhatt image. This is to test whether it works or not. See, she is wearing an yellow dress. You can see she is not wearing yellow dress here in the training data. So this is the test data, so which is new one. So if the face recognition works, it has to detect whether it is Alia Bhatt or not. So we saved this as alia.jpeg. So here in the im read, so I'm going to give the image name so that now it will read the address. So here it is going to recognize the face and gonna print her name above the face. So we'll see how this works. So it detected Alia. It is giving name in a very big font size, so we'll reduce the font. So here this function I'm using to cv.putText to give the font. So by varying this I can reduce the font size. So again we can see now. So now her font size is fixed. Again it is covering the face. We can change the direction where it comes. So here I gave it x plus y plus h. So I can give x plus y. So x plus y is the where the rectangle starts. Here this function creates a rectangle when it detects a face. So on that face it draws a rectangle. I'm giving the same rectangle coordinates here to give name in that rectangle. So I just changed it here. So we'll see how this works now. So now it giving name above the face. So we tried with this one pic. We'll try with another pic. This pic also I downloaded. She's wearing a green dress and standing. And in the training data you can see she is not like that in any of the set. So this is a new image. So we'll see whether this works or not. So that pic name I named it as Alia2. So I'm gonna just change the image name, so it will detect the face. So now we're running. So here also it detected it is Alia Bhatt. So enough of Alia Bhatt. We'll try a new pic. So for that another name I trained is myself. So I'll download any one pic of mine. So I have to connect to internet. Okay, retry. Something wrong. Yeah, now it will come. So we'll see any one image of me. I'll take this one, not this. I'll take this one. So I'm gonna download this. So I downloaded this image. I'm gonna save this to the face recognition software as Google. In that folder I'm saving this pic. So if you go and open so here in the folder it's saved. So here I'm wearing a blue shirt. So in the train data you can see I'm not wearing that blue shirt in any of the pics, so it has to recognize me. So here the name is Gokul. Gokul.jpeg. Okay, so we'll test and run. So now it identified my face also, and it is giving my name Gokul. So it detected face. So I have one more pic. In this I'm with Alia Bhatt, so it's just a poster of her and I'm standing beside that poster. We'll see how it will detect. Since most of the time it will not detect because I gave very less number of trained data, we'll see whether this works or not. So the image is this thing. So this image name will copy. So we'll give it here. We'll see how it works. So here it is detected Alia Bhatt face, but it did not detect my face, but it is detecting some other features as Alia and Gokul. It is detecting her dress and it detecting her shoulder. This mistake is common because we gave only less trained data set, and also it is detecting very random edges as faces. So that is very common. So instead of this pic, we can see it detected this and this, and my standalone pics, so it detected. So this is what I did. Thank you for watching the video.